Why go digital? Because your life deserves an upgrade. Flexibility, work from anywhere, freedom, no boss, no 9 to 5. Global reach, connect worldwide. Low startup cost, smart and start smart, not broke. Scalable income, your earnings have no ceiling. Automation, make money even while you sleep. Personal growth, build skills and leaderships. Family time, be present for what matters. Legacy building, create wealth that lasts. Purpose and impact, change lives while building your dream. Going digital isn't just about income, it's about creating a life you don't need a vacation from. Ask me how? Visit www.taniatanni.com.